Hi guys, in this tutorial, I will show you all the way that you can use bookmarks in the Mozilla Firefox step by step. Stay tuned. First, we need to open the Firefox. From the Windows menu, click on the Windows button on the left corner and select Firefox. If you can't see Firefox there, you can easily search for it. Now we have it open. Most of the time we find a useful website that we needed a lot, and we don't want to waste our time find it each time we type this address in the browser. We can use the bookmark tools in the browser. For example, we want to bookmark google.com in the group of search engines. For this first we need to open the website. From the right side of the browser you can see a star sign if it is empty. You didn't bookmark this page yet, so click on the star. You can see a dialog will open. In this dialog you can set the name of your bookmark. Most of the time is the title of that page, but we will add my favorite search engine to it. After that, you can select a folder. A folder will work as a group, so in this case, I will add a folder onto the other bookmark. You can set a keyboard for bookmark 2 that will help you for finding it later. You create your first bookmark now. Before testing it, I want to show you something. As you remember, we bookmarked google.com, but if the URL won't be the same, you won't see the blue star. Because of that extra words, you think that it is a different link. So we will try again, this time bookmarking with proper naming. Always try to set good names for folders in bookmark, so you can remember it easier later. So again the same name, this time I will name the folder search engines, and I will add a tag of the search engine to it. So if you click on the bookshelf like the icon, you can see the recent bookmarks that we create. For testing them you can click on one of the bookmarks. Since this page is bookmarked before, you can see that the bookmark button is blue now. For managing your bookmarks, click on the icon again, and from the bookmarks select the show all bookmarks. This is the bookmark dialog. Here you can see the library of your bookmarks that you created before in managing them. You can do the same thing here too. By right click on other bookmarks you see all the options. Let's create two folders here, education and games. Also, you can easily add a new bookmark here, but I would prefer to do it when I am inside the page, will reduce the chance of typo. Hope until here you learned something new. Please like this video. We spend a lot of time for creating this video, and by just like this video you will help us a lot. Thank you. Let's continue. For example, I want to add the Call of Duty to the folder that I just created. In the browser, search for the Call of Duty in the Google search engine, open the website. Now that the website is open, click on the star icon. You will see the same dialog like before. I want to add it to the game folder, so from other bookmarks, I will choose the games folder, and that is a .you just bookmark a Call of Duty website. Let's see, did we do it correctly? Let's open the bookmark library again. As you can see, the Call of Duty is here inside my games folder. The second way that you can have access to your bookmarks is Bookmark Bar. So go to the Bookmark Tools and click on View Bookmark Toolbar. As you can see, Toolbar just added under the search bar. For adding a page to the bar, you can easily drag google.com to the bar. For other options you need to right-click here. You can add the folder like before. For example, I need a search folder here. Google just added here. Maybe add another search engine to the folder. Search for DuckDuckGo, which is a very good search engine. Bookmark it. Then drag it to search engine folder. You now have both of them here. The other way to access your bookmarks is the Bookmark Sidebar. For accessing the sidebar, go to Bookmark Tools and select the sidebar. You can see in the left side of your windows a new panel. This is the sidebar. Here you have access to the same tools for managing your bookmarks. As you see, you have all the folders here, like the toolbar, same bookmarks here too. A pro tip, you can open all the websites under a folder by clicking on Open All the tabs. Let's test it. You can see all of them open in tabs. So if you are working on a project and you want to open all of your websites same time, you can bookmark them under a folder and easily open them as you need them. It is good for productivity. Searching between the bookmarks are easy. Just type the name or tag here. You can see your favorite websites here. Close the Bookmark Sidebar by clicking on the cross icon. Another pro tip, if you want to access the library, you can just press Ctrl, Shift, and B same time. Also for accessing the sidebar, use just Ctrl+B. Let's hide the bookmark bar. As you remember, we added by going to Bookmark Tools and select View Bookmark Bar. That now is hide the bookmark bar. By selecting this you won't see it anymore. For adding it back, go to the same place and click on View Bookmark Toolbar. This time, I want to show you how you can bookmark a group of tabs easily. Search for the new games in the Google search engine. As you see, there are a couple of games here, and let's open them in a separate tab. For selecting both tabs, press the Ctrl and click on both of the tabs, right-click and click on Bookmark tabs. A dialog will be open. Just need to change the name and select the folder that you want. I would change the name to the new games and select the folder to be inside the games folder, so next time that you need them you can easily go to the sidebar, and you have access to them. As you can see, bookmarks are one of the best ways to increase your productivity for each time. As you are working in bookmarking, your library of bookmarks will grow. I am sure you don't want to lose them. In this part I will show you how you can export and import bookmarks. So if you change your computer or installed Windows, you won't lose your important bookmarks. First, you need to open the Firefox and go to the bookmark library. You can open it by pressing Ctrl and Shift and B. You can see the import and backup here. Click on it and select backup. Choose a safe location. It was easy. You now have the backup. Let's clean up the bookmarks. Now we can import it again. To see is it working, go to the library, select import, and from restore select choose. A dialog will be open. Just select the file that we back up before. As you can see, all the bookmarks are here. You just learned a couple of ways to bookmark in the Firefox browser. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know if you had any issue with bookmarks in the comments. See you soon in the next video.